how are you? Okay, so today is out of my comfort zone. We're on day 4. And if we go back to yesterday's work, it says we have to find, first it went through, so we're talking about talking to the sun. That's what we kind of came up with from my why, somehow, from walking on the beach. So there are other comparable apps that have 100,000 downloads, 10,000 downloads. I said it's out of my comfort zone because my comfort zone is like, okay, we know what we're doing. Let's go build it and test it and have fun. But we're at A and we have to get to C. And C is where there's paying customers, paying clients. And in between is B, which is all the steps that I love doing. But there's really no point in doing them if we don't have paying clients, because then we're no closer to giving the world something that the world needs. You're just doing your own thing. So today we're going to do something that is out of my comfort zone. We're going to do a proof of concept. So that is what ChatGPT came up with as the next step. When I said yesterday we're going down the rabbit hole, we found what I was passionate about. I want to talk to the sun. And it is giving us, we can do a fake door landing page, which I know how to make landing pages, or we can use AI. We can pay $50 and advertise on Reddit or Twitter to find out if people are interested. Basically, we're going to collect interest. We're going to collect emails. We can do a 1-question poll on Discord or Facebook groups. Would you pay $5 a month to get personalized solar rhythm tips? That's not exactly what I'm doing, so I have to refine with ChatGPT. Well, it's not what I want to do. So first, I guess we need to refine what I am doing and then come up with the questions. So we're going to circle back to here. I'll just finish so we are all on the same page. A 15 by 15 minute user interview with a Calendly. Wizard of Oz prototype. So simple ChatGPT bot that answers 3 canned questions using live NASA or just using NOAA JSON feeds, and which doesn't, I guess, matter what that is at this moment, which is like a manual solar coach note. I don't know about all of this. I feel like we need to refine exactly what we're making. But like I said, we have to go out of the comfort zone to prove it, to see that people want it. Pricing smoke test, Stripe checkout pop-ups after they choose free versus $9 Pro. Just collect, not live yet. An email. I don't understand. I guess they're charging even though they're not live. But anyways, I wanted to cross-check to what we had decided on the first day was step 4, because we're on day 4. So we came up with the ideas, and now, and we kind of only did step 1, which is 5 deep whys, but really we only did 1 deep why. Like I said at the beginning, I don't think it really matters what we choose. We just have to follow it through. And obviously, both are saying we need 1 sentence viability test. ChatGPT asks for the problem, audience, and price. Validate that the idea serves a real pain point. So we need to validate the idea that people really care about this and that they want it. So, there are places where these audiences, according to what ChatGPT thinks we're building, exist. He's saying biohackers and HRV nerds. I mean, possibly that is the audience. I'm interested in it for that reason also, but also here, aurora chasers and space weather hobbyists, circadian rhythm wellness crowd, clean energy tinkerers. So we're going to have to come up with languaging. Oh, they've already done it. So for the biohackers, sync your grounding and cold plunge windows to real-time solar resonance. Aurora chasers get flare alerts and plain English health guidance instead of raw KP charts. Know when UV, infrared, and geomagnetism align for peak sleep hormones. I mean, this is all very interesting to me. Clean energy tinkers. We're prototyping a pocket sun tuner. Join the lab notes list. So basically, what it's saying is that if we get more than 20% of unique visitors to sign up and give their email, then we should definitely build it. And that's what it says, build the MVP. If we get between 10 and 20%, then we might want to reposition a bit and repeat the tests. And yeah, here's all the percentages. So should we do it? Yes, I think we have to do something. So, okay, let's test to see if we can hit a green light. I don't want to pay at this moment for ads, so let's test in a way that is free. Please give me the top 3 ways to test, and if possible, I will run the tests today. If they are more work, we may do 1 per day, but please give options, maybe 10 options, and we can discern the top 3 and then take action. Hey, we're going for it. We're going out of the comfort zone, because if something's not working and it hasn't worked for as long as it hasn't worked, I'm guessing if you're watching this that you have been doing something and it hasn't been working and giving you the results that you want. So we have to do it differently. We have to do it differently to get different results. Okay, so the instant fake door tweet and reply poll. Post a punchy hook thread on X, and first reply is a poll. Would you use a chat that lets you ask the sun questions about sleep, focus, and energy? I mean, again, that's not really what I'm building. I wonder if we should refine what we're building first. Also, I don't know how to use X. I'm sorry, I hope that doesn't make you not want to watch me, but I know AI tools. I'm not as focused on social media. Reddit, drop a curiosity spark post in the R biohackers or the R Aurora. No links, just would real-time solar chat tool help you? With 2 slides. Free card landing page on your socials. Again, I don't have so much socials, so probably that's not the one for me. Niche Discord AMAs. Offer 15 minutes, ask me about solar rhythms pop up in quantified self or biohacker lab servers. LinkedIn poll to wellness pros. I'm not going to use my LinkedIn. YouTube short teaser, 30-second. Nobody seems to be watching yet, so I don't know if YouTube is the right way. Free Substack posts. I tried talking to the sun. Here's what happened. Instagram reel, question, and sticker. Again, I don't have much of a social media following, so I'm not sure how we're going to do this. Webinar, RSVP page, no webinar yet. Well, that is an interesting one because I could teach you other AI tools. Maybe we should do that one. That seems like a good one. We'll write a narrative. I'll show you how to make a video using you just with the script without having to film, and then we'll post it. I don't know where. Hopefully it'll tell us. And then collaborative doc invite. So let's start with this this one. So, okay, top 3, 1, this, I think 2, maybe the Reddit is better than uh, X. Well, maybe we should do Reddit and X, even though I don't have a following. I'm guessing there's ways for people to see. So maybe let's do Reddit as number 2 and X as number 3. How does that sound for top 3? Starting with the webinar, and we will make a video using AI for the webinar. Oh, so it's saying that for the webinar, we also need a landing page. So, I mean, this is great because I can show you a lot of AI tools doing this. Let's do it. We'll start with the webinar. So, this is already, I guess, a 20-minute video. Sometimes it takes time to plan. I know we haven't learned any new tools today, but we are adjusting. If I can, I'll stop on and do one more video, but I don't know that I have the time today. So this is our day 4. Day 5, we will jump in and make the script and also the avatar, both in voice and body, so that we'll have a webinar. Let's do that. Have a great day.